Kansas hillbilly prepper coming at you. My wife, she decided to go shooting yesterday with her son and took a couple of good shots. So video shots and got some pictures. So I figured I'd make a little video for all you guys to see her first time. So here we go.
All right, go. Okay. I don't think you're getting a very good shot.
Bless her heart, here comes the pin shots. I understand it's hard. It was her first time, but so I'll share this with you.
All right, go ahead.
Not a one.
It's all right.
I want it because she wants it.
Hello. Well, this is Kansas hillbilly prepper again. She's doing great shooting, can't you tell? And here is going to be some more just pictures and also a picture of her one gunshot. It's got the silhouette and the big hole is hers. She's happy about it. I'm proud of her. She done a real good shooting, and so I will. It's nice to thank you for watching, and you have a nice day. Keep your loved ones close, and talk to you later. Bye.